This is the cue straight sight aligning tool. You can use this to align your cue up with your line of sight. So first of all, you can stand in front of it, and that part towards you there's two uprights, so you get those aligned with the two longer lines, and then you know that you're looking in a straight line. After that, you can get your cue and line it up and try and cue straight through the line. And if you can cue straight through the line without hitting the edges, you're in pretty good line. Now just a quick look of what it looks like from above. It's a bit easier to see from your own perspective whether your cue is in the middle or hitting the sides, obviously. And you can also use this anywhere. You don't have to use it on a snooker table, pool table. You can use it on a kitchen table, and you can just see if your cue's in line anywhere. You can use it on a kitchen bench, even an ironing board, being an ironing board's adjustable height, so you can get it to the right height too if you like.